Boys, it's a good spot. Listen to me. I want you to start with the officers. Work your way down. You know the difference, right?
Yes, Father.
Yes, Father.
Good. Now, Samuel, after your first shot, I want you to reload for your brother Nathan. If anything should happen to me, I want you to drop your rifles and run for home. Now, boys, what did I tell you about shooting?
Aim small, miss small.
Aim small, miss small. Boys, Samuel, steady. Oh, excuse me. I was reading The Swamp Fox, the story of how Francis Marion saved the American Revolution. Actually, legitimately, this is a great book. I highly recommend it if you want to know more about the American Revolution. Now, the inspiration for this movie, as you saw, was The Patriot. Watching that movie leading up to Independence Day, it's a good little feel-good story, even though history is never so cut and dry. If you want to know exactly how accurate it is, watch the History Buffs episode. I'll link to it in the description. But it did inspire me to come up with a shooting drill, and that's what this video is. Let me know if you like this kind of content, because I have a whole list of action movies I can make videos about with spectacular intros like the one you just watched. If you want to support the channel, the only current way you can is by heading over to Lead and Steel and grabbing one of these foreskin leather handguard wraps. URL is right here. Oh, it's so heavy. Oh no, I'm gonna drop it.
Now the intent with this is to capture the essence of that scene in a shooting drill. So what did we notice in the scene? We saw Mel Gibson's character pre-staging assets, shooting from behind cover, reloading behind cover, moving from point to point to induce chaos in his adversary and fight from a position of advantage, and he had to run half a mile to get to set up the ambush. I wanted to make this something that didn't take a whole lot of resources and was repeatable, so anyone else who wanted to try could hop in on the action. So I set up 2 targets 15 meters apart, and 3 shooting positions 30 meters away, also 15 meters apart. Now the loadout is 4 rifle mags of 3 rounds each, and 1 pistol mag loaded in the pistol. Starting at target 2, you're going to do 10 burpees and sprint to firing point 1. Kit up and engage target 1. Reload, move to firing point 2, engage, reload, move to firing point 3, engage, set your rifle down, draw your pistol, engage while closing, and then maximum violence. On a slightly more serious note, I have to thank my awesome wife for painting up these really cool targets for me. I didn't feature them as much as I should have, and all I have to say is I'll do better next time. Actually, you know what? Let's start a new business right now. If you want any custom painted cardboard target, IPSC, IDPA, or whatever the standard cardboard cutout thingy is, get in touch with me via, shall we say, Instagram. Yeah, it sounds official. Reach out to me and let me know what you want. Let's do $12 a target? Sounds like a fair price. They're hand painted after all. Wife, that good with you? That is the glare of consent I see right there. Alright, let's shoot.
Cleanup shop. So I bought 1,500 rounds of this Turkish ZSR M193 ammo from Wild Horse Ammunition about a month ago. It was like 40 cents a round, free shipping, stupid good deal. And so far, a couple hundred rounds, no complaints. So this is me giving a shout out to Wild Horse Ammunition. So, sponsor the ammo for the next video. Read a history book.